Material: the nail practice hand is made of soft rubber, simulates the size of a real human hand, can be reusable. The C clamp holder is made of high-quality plastic with metal inside, not easy to break, and not easy to wear. Features: practice nail mannequin hand is very realistic, simulates the size of a real human hand, you can clearly see the lines and joints on the hand, it's soft and flexible to the touch and can be bent to any position you want. Dimensions: fake hand size, 10.2 inch x 3.7 inches. Color: dark. The practice handholder total height is 11 inches, width, 2 inches. Color: black. Small size, easy to store. Packaging content: the fake nail hand kit includes 1% practice hand and 1% holder. Fake nails are not included. The holder is used to fix your practice hand for acrylic nails, so that the fake hand will not move back and forth. The practice hand and the clamp holder are a perfect match for nails training. Nail practice hand kit usage. After the handholder assembled, fix this hand stand on your desk, within 1.4 inches in thickness, then fix the practice hand on it. The fake hand will not moving back and forth. Next, stick the fake nails tightly on the fingers with nail jelly glue, clay or double-sided tape, and then design and draw nail art patterns on the nails. Very suitable for beginners and nail salon artists, more suitable for DIY nail art. Top reviews from the United States. Hands down amazing. I bought 2 of this hands for my cosmetology school's nail course, and it was such a lifesaver. They are affordable, durable, and easy to work with. I literally keep it in my container in a locker for use whenever.